There are several shops near where I live that I frequent, but there is one in particular that I visit more often than others. It is a small convenience store that sells a wide range of everyday products and services. The name of this shop is Daily Grocers. The convenience store sells a variety of products and services, including groceries, gift items, pens and papers, cosmetics, snacks, fruits, household items, stationery, books and drinks. They also offer services like photocopying and printing. The shop is stocked with a good range of products, which makes it convenient for me to purchase things that I need quickly. The shop is a small, but neat and organized store. The front of the shop has a large glass window that allows customers to see inside. The interior of the shop is brightly lit, with shelves and racks filled with products. The aisles are well organized, making it easy for customers to find what they are looking for. The shop is located just a few minutes' walk from my apartment building, on a busy street. It is situated in a small commercial area that has several shops and restaurants. I use this shop because it is convenient and has everything I need. The location is ideal, and the staff is friendly and helpful. The owner of this shop is a middle-aged lady who is very amiable and well-mannered. Also, the prices are reasonable, which makes it an affordable option for me. I find it to be a reliable and trustworthy store, and I appreciate the convenience of being able to buy what I need at a moment's notice.